Welcome back, fellow wealth enthusiasts, to Invest to Gain. Today, we're diving into a topic that can truly transform your financial future. We'll be revealing the top 5 wealth killers that could be holding you back. But wait, there's a twist. The last 3 are absolute game changers that can supercharge your wealth building journey. So be sure to stick around until the end and don't miss out on these valuable tips. Number 1, the flashy car trap. That new car smell. Who doesn't love it? But here's the cold, hard truth. That new car might be nothing more than a financial black hole. In fact, the wealthy have a different approach to cars, and it might surprise you. The moment you drive off the dealership lot, the value of your shiny ride plummets faster than, well, you'd be shocked. The wealthy see cars as practical tools, not symbols of status. Wait until you hear which cars they drive. You won't believe what the Experian Automotive study found. 61% of wealthy folks drive Hondas, Toyotas, and Fords. And here's the kicker, they consider buying used cars. Stay tuned to discover how this clever strategy can help you navigate the road to financial success. Number 2, diversify or die. Imagine walking through a minefield with a blindfold on. That's what it's like when you don't diversify your investments. The wealthy get this. They spread their wealth across different assets like stocks, bonds, real estate, and commodities. This isn't just about minimizing risk, it's about maximizing potential returns. And guess what? The last 3 tips are even more vital than this one. So keep watching. Number 3, bad habits that drain your wallet. Bad habits, we've all got them. But let's talk money. Did you know the average American spends $565 a year on alcohol and over $3,240 a year on smoking? That's just the tip of the iceberg. Imagine the long-term cost and the opportunity cost. It's mind-blowing. Number 4, impressing others versus financial freedom. We all want to impress, right? But what's the real cost? What if I told you impressing others can lead to selling things you need? The wealthy understand that true financial success is about building a legacy, not flashy possessions. Keep watching to discover how to shift your mindset towards financial security. Number 5, the silent wealth killer. High interest rates. Time for a shocker. The average credit card interest rate is over 24%. A $1,000 balance can accrue an additional $240 in 1 year. And that's not even counting late fees. The wealthy prioritize paying off balances monthly and seek favorable loan terms. Thank you for joining us today on Invest to Gain, where we're all about helping you achieve financial success. If you've enjoyed this video and found the last 3 tips as mind-blowing as I promise, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And remember, with the right mindset and these powerful insights, you can overcome these wealth killers and pave your way to financial freedom. Until next time, stay motivated, stay focused, and let's build wealth together. Now that you know the wealth killers, click the video on your screen to find 8 simple tips. How to build wealth from nothing.